Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here to do a card share, but to finally announce the winner. And I have a YouTube channel that I want to give a shout out to. And let me see if I can find this on my phone real quick, because she just started her channel. And I'm so proud of her because it is so great to always support our amazing crafty community. And after everything that I've gone through, and so many other friends have been posting videos and stuff, I could not be grateful for all of y'all's support and understanding, and knowing that it's over and we can just move on and get positive and happy again. So with that being said, one of the first positive things I want to say is we've got a new YouTuber out there, y'all. And I'm not talking about just anybody. I'm talking a very talented lady. Not only do you have to just watch her first video, you will, and then from there you will know she is very gifted, very talented, and you will love her. Now, I will be leaving her link in the description box below. I will be giving her a shout out. I will be sharing cards, and I will be announcing the winner. So stay tuned. Now, with that being said, I'm hoping that I will not get a glare, but her name on YouTube is Sassy Crafter Carlita L. And I'm hoping you can see her name. And I'm telling y'all, do you see those bags? OMG, she made some of the cutest, amazing bags I have probably ever seen, honestly. So, with that being said, y'all do what we do. Stay positive, connect with each other, love each other, and embrace this community, and go show Sweet Carlita the support that she deserves. And I promise you, at least from what I can tell from her first video, the lady is skilled and talented, and you won't regret it. I know I watched her video and I was highly impressed. Definitely a beautiful, beautiful bag. So please, 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 she's been a supporter to so many, and I know she's been very much a tough love for me, and I appreciate that so much, sweetheart. With that being said, her link will be in the description box. Please go subscribe. She's just did her first video, and she's only got a few. I know she's climbing, and she's going to climb fast. She's that good. Now, with that being said, I got to go to my beautiful cards. This card was actually not for me. But is it not precious? Look at those cute little flowers and the little bees and the bling and the little purse. And then she's got these twines. Oh, love it. And then, let's see if I can share. Look at that. Happy birthday, love, Denise. This was for my Lily Bug. Denise, sweetheart, you were so sweet. I sent you a video of her opening it. And I know how you felt about this card. Denise was not happy about this card at all. I don't know why, but I know she said she didn't care for the color combo, but I think the colors look great. And as soon as Lily opened it, she was like, I said, well, Miss Denise is worried about it not, her not liking it. And she goes, why? I said, because she said it's ugly. And she goes, no, it's not. Well, I shared that video with Miss Denise. But here's a little pocket, and let me tell y'all what sweet Denise did. She added her a little cash in there. She gave her $25. How sweet was that? It wasn't a ton. She's not trying to, make a million, but just the thought that you did that. And come on, y'all. The teenagers are going to care more about that cash than the card, but at least Lily did appreciate it, and she told Miss Deborah, thank you. So, Mama's telling you thank you too, sweetheart. You know how I feel about you. And thank you for that. And then look, she's even got this cute little bee on the back. I love it. I love this paper. It's gorgeous. And honey, this card is gorgeous. Just wait for the comments below. I guarantee you'll get it. Now, Let me see if I can cover up the address, because she is my freaking stinker, and she knows she's my stinker. Look what I get on that damn corner of that pocket, that envelope. Girl, you and your gators, you got to stop. But just wait, that wasn't even it. I'm not even sure I want to share this one. I'm just not even sure I want to share it. Look at that ugly thing. Says we start each day with a smile. Where else? Florida. Well, I'm glad Florida starts with a smile. But that's an ugly ass, an ugly smile. Sorry, y'all. Oh, my Lord. But as Denise always does, she includes me some kind of goodie. But look at that ugly alligator. I'm sorry, y'all. That's an ugly creature, right? Y'all agree with me. Well, let me tell you something. I was talking to a friend of mine, and I told her, as soon as I can get my hands, go to a restaurant where I can get my hands on it, this Bama girl and this elephant is going to eat a damn gator. A gator. Oh, and then look, she gave me skulls. That's the one thing I can say I absolutely love, because, besides Denise, because I love her, even though she sends me gators, that she knows I love skulls, and every time she sends me a card, she sends me a little skull. It just kills me. And then she says, you just wait. No, you wait. I've already told you what payback is. And then she's added this, always thinking of you, love, Denise, with the daggum gators again. Ugh. I love you. You always make me laugh my butt off. I cannot thank you enough. And it's always nice to be around all the supportiveness. It's just great. And yes, y'all, I have my prayer box out that Miss Mel with everything Marmy gave me. And if you watched the last few videos, I've had to get that out. Because that's what it is. But you know what? I've given my extra shout out for the week. And Carlita, sweetheart, I wish you the best of luck. Just know, if you've watched my channel, and I know you've made a comment, that's not what this community is about. 98, 99%. It is all positive and supportive and everything else. And I just want you to know, and I'm saying this to Denise as well. And I know you, Denise, I've already talked to you, so you know, this is not what this community is about. It is about love. And that's what I love the most. And with that being said, I'm going to share a little love with y'all and announce the winner. How about that? I was going to do random, just a random number picker, but there was 109 comments on the giveaway video, y'all. Not everybody wants to enter, but so with that being said, I'm going to do YouTube's random comment picker, not random number picker, but a random comment picker. So I don't have to write 109, maybe 100 names down on a piece of paper. I would not normally do this. I would go ahead and just write the names down so that it would be a number. I'm not the biggest fan of the comment picker, but it is what it is. And as y'all know, I have just been swamped. I've been so busy. I've had so much drama in my life. And today my daughter's been here, and I just wanted to get this up because I want, y'all have a week. If you win, before I even do the announcement of who wins, I'm giving everybody 1 week from today. This is Wednesday, and it is Wednesday night. I will upload another video. If the person does not reach me by next Tuesday night, let's see, what time is it? Let's see. It is actually, let's see if I can get y'all to see that. It's 10:10. I will probably do another video at 10:30. Actually, I'm not even going to go by the hours. I'll just say sometime next Tuesday night. If I do not hear from you, then, if I do not hear from you by then I will actually, do a redrawing. Because I like to ship out on Fridays, at the latest on Mondays, but I usually like to try to get it all done on Friday. And then and then have all my packages out, once a week. So this way it gives y'all a week, and then it gives me a couple of days to hear from somebody, and then hopefully ship it out that following Friday. With that being said, I've already entered I'm sorry about the yellowness. I'm not sure why I add a phone or put something up so close. My hands and everything turn like yellow and jaundice looking, but okay. So I have entered the URL. Let me see if I can get it to where I can see it too. It's filtered the duplicate users. Now, the one thing you had to say was enter me. If you did not say enter me, I will do a redrawing. So it says get YouTube comments. Okay. And amount of unique comments is 56. Wow, that's a shocking, because my comments said 109. So, okay. All right. So start raffle and pick random winner. Are you ready? Yay, I'm so excited. Y'all remember this was for the mermaid pack, the fur ribbon, and several random stickers. So with that being said, good luck, everybody. I'm so excited for y'all. And thank y'all once again. I am over 700, and it's all because of y'all. So thank you. I love y'all. Each and every one. Good luck. And the winner is... Let's see what their comment is first. Jersey Sea Girl E. Yay, I'm so excited. She said, congrats on your... I think she meant 700, but welcome. It is my pleasure. It was my pleasure sending you a little something. Enter me, please, because she's one of the ones who sent the card. And so she said, enter me. Thank you. Yay. Congratulations, Emily. Yay. I love it. Congratulations. And thank y'all so much. Emily, be sure to leave me a comment below. Just to be on the safe side, I'm in the middle of doing my craft room. So please send me your email, your address through email, just to make sure I've got it, even though I got my card around here somewhere. But still, it's always better safe than sorry, so I don't have to dig through all my chaos that I'm cleaning up. So please leave a comment below, send me an email, and thank you all so, so very much. Thank you, and congratulations, and I love each and every one of y'all, and it won't be much longer before I'll do my 800. So thank y'all, and thank you so much for your support. And as I always say, I wish you the absolute best.